एपे so now like whoever will be resisting Mr. Red, resisting means what? कौन भाबुच हाँ विरोध करवा तमे झियो कौन सब फील कर सकबो मझी जो टिकी झियो छबो हाँ तमे जो मझी रे जो टिकी झियो तीन जण अछ कहलो रेजिस्टेड मींस व्हाट कौन भाबुथियो को ओडियार को means say anybody will be obstructing making obstacle anybody like will be creating certain disturbance so in general English term will be saying will be resisting that means in that area where Mr. Red was the caretaker was the ruler so if anybody resists for anything they will be not left without beating जदि से मिस्टर रेड को से एरिया रे के विरोध करंती बाधा सृष्टि करंती तेणु से तांको कोन करिवे मारुथिले दैट मींस से बुझी गला everyone was afraid of Red so was I knew he carried a heavy metal knuckle duster in his pocket means say here the author narrates the author wants to highlight like even though he was very small he was alone his parents were not there he was not getting any care from anybody but whenever anybody will be coming on that particular street who will be resisting who will be creating any nuisance on that road so definitely the problems will be arising either for money or will be beaten up so the narrator wants to explain unfortunately the circumstance created such situation the narrator was bound to be on the street and it was compulsion for him to be on the street and to face Mr. Red बुझलो माने नैरेटर को पई एमिति सिचुएशन सिटी अराइज कला कना से स्ट्रीट रे बुलिबे कन देखो जेहेतु पेरेंट्स डाइवर्सी घर नथिबो खाइबा को नथिबो पिंधिबा को नथिबो देयर विल बी नो वन टू टेक केयर so most of the time he will be roaming around la roaming माने बुलुथिबे roaming around so definitely he gets the opportunities to meet Mr. Red तो जेहेतु से बाहर बुलुथिले तांकर आउ किछि ऑप्शन नथिला काहे कहलो से तांकर पेरेंट्स माने डाइवर्सी and he himself the guardian of himself so definitely he was getting such opportunities to meet Mr. Red को से भेट करबा को तांको सिचुएशन बाध्य करूथिला and at last Mr. Red when he will be moving around always in his hand like some weapons made up of very strong metals very like sharp metals which will be like what very dangerous and the writer or the narrator or the author had to face देखो एठी हमें गोटे जिंस सिखिबा से डाइवर्स कले तांकर पेरेंट्स स्ट्रीट रे बुलुचंती he must be having a lot of problem food problem shelter problem पुनी ऑथर केमथि हेले ऑथर केमथि हेले कहलो स्ट्रगल करि हैला जो हमर जो बेड ऑफ रोजेस अछि गुलाब रो सज्जा आ गोटे होछि थर्नी लाइफ माने जहा जीवन रे अगेन एंड अगेन हर्डल्स विल बी कमिंग असुविधा आसुथिबो काहा लाइफ ता बेटर हबो हां थर्नी लाइफ थर्न माने कोन कंटा हैला थर्न होछि कंटा आमे थर्नी कर देले कंटकित कंटालिया फनी लाइफ जहाँ जीवन रे जेते असुविधा आसीबो फनी लाइफ आसीबो सेते से स्ट्रांग हो दैट मींस इनडायरेक्टली द नैरेटर एक्सप्लेन द सिचुएशन the circumstance compelled me to learn the different activities of the society since I was bound to move on the street due to the divorcee parents. से कहिबा कथा एई जो सिचुएशन मते जे भली कंपल्सन कला मु बाध्य हली had the parents would be there he would not have become तामाने मु कोन कहली मु कहली जदि तांकर बापा मा थानते से एते इंटेलिजेंट हे न थानते एते टैलेंटेड हे कहना ही हैड टू अंडरगो लॉट ऑफ सफरिंग जेते बळे लॉट ऑफ सफरिंग आसला ही लर्न हेगला एटा बुझिलो तामाने तमे एठु सिखिलो कोन तमे सिखिलो एबे तमे छोट पिला you have to be ready for the thorny life problematic life hello and whatever the problem comes you should try to face it defend it so that what will happen you will be getting new ideas new techniques new thoughts new views ए जो इंग्लिश टा पढ़ा हुए आमे ग्रामर पढुथले ग्रामर रु तमे सेठी ग्रामर वोकैबुलरी सिखिलो ए चैप्टर रु प्रोज पोएट्री सिखिबो हाउ टू रन लाइफ हाउ टू बिकम ए फुल फ्लेजेड ह्यूमन बीइंग गोटे भल मनीष हेबा हाउ टू बिकम ए बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग आमको कहा होची मनीष नै कि गोटे अलगा एनिमल कोन कहा होची डॉग कहा होची कैट कहा होची बिकॉज़ they are dog cat crow whatever because their brain is underdeveloped they don't have conscience nor thinking power nor moral principles of life but we do have because we are treated as human beings tamane the narrator wants to explain you all tamare jo syllabus re include kara jaichi ke include करछि गवर्नमेंट include करछि गवर्नमेंट रे के थांती सब हायर लेवल रो लोक एई रेभेन्सा रो जो सब प्रोफेसर अछंती से माने बुक टा को रेफर करंती जे एई भली चैप्टर एई पिलां को पढा हले so that they will be learning how to face so that means you all are being taught माने तुमको एथरे पढा जाउछि how to become strong how to become like what self reliant then totally like you will become like what discipline how to face the problems hurdles situations so that you also will be strong and indirectly it will be benefited to whom jadi tame samaste strong ho narrator ko bhari struggle life को face karo hurdle life को face karo tame definitely will become intelligent strong habo benefit कार habo तमर हबो आउ कार हबो तम भविष्य हबो आउ कार हबो फॉर जनरेशन हबो आउ कार हबो अल्टीमेटली द क्रेडिट विल गो टू कंट्री माने कर तमे त ब्रेव हे जिवो करेजियस हे गला मन सेल्फ डिफेंडिव हे गला सो दैट यू विल बी हैविंग नॉलेज सो सूनर और लेटर वन डे विल बिकम डॉक्टर जो माने सो साइंस रो अछंती डॉक्टर हेबे इंजीनियर हेबे जियोलॉजिस्ट ए जो लेडी जने थले सिवा जियोलॉजिस्ट कार जियोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट अछि कि साइंस पिला अछि ना सब बायोलॉजी एनी सो दैट मींस से those like who are going to be something in life something very like what very high position lieutenant position very aristocratic position so that means everybody has to become very strong very like what selfless not selfish selfless sacrificed socially inclined and to like have love for the nation and to have a like what sacrificing personality for the development of the country so that means in this particular chapter the narrator wants to explain you all to try to learn from this chapter how to like face the struggle life how to like face the thorny life and how to become courageous tamane amaro सेकेंड गला यूनिट फर्स्ट गला यूनिट तापर जिबा थर्ड does the narrator have an encounter with red means this warm up 3 does the narrator had any encounter with red encounter means Mr. Red he was a very like brave courageous furious माने भयंकर सिंह भली भयंकर ferocious person and most of the time carrying like what the weapons made up of metals. So definitely at any moment any situation he might attack to somebody. So that means in this unit 1 and unit 2 have we come across such point or such situation that the narrator and Mr. Red had any encounter बुझिला ना बुझ पाइले नहीं बुझिला झिया बुझिला माने हाँ मु इंग्लिश कहबी ओडिया मते कहबिनी तमो टिके कष्ट हबो कष्ट हेले ही सिखिबो that means from the unit 1 unit 2 we learned that the narrator being the son of divorcee parents undergone lot of hurdles lot of problems in life and this situation made him to become a street boy to move around and the circumstance unfortunate and unlucky and heartless parents they left him on the road and it was his unluck it was his like a unfortunate luck that means he was bound to face another furious person another ferocious person on the street who was Mr. Red. So that means Mr. Red and the narrator very often usually they meet because Mr. Red was given the responsibility of that particular street to look after the local position and simultaneously narrator he was also bound to face Mr. Red माने narrator करो एमिति का सिचुएशन थिला से सेठी कहा को फेस करबे मिस्टर रेड को फेस करिवे नै कि माय क्वेश्चन इज डू यू फील or did you listen or did you understand मु केते गुडा को इंग्लिश टेंस रे कहूच any situation arose in unit 1 and unit 2 the encounter between Mr. Red and narrator बुझला क्या जे बुझला तम केमिति बुझियोटा टेक्निक माने कंसंट्रेट करी करी कानटा रखिथो आउ बाहर कछा किछि भाबियोनी हैला काने तो सुनिथिबो टे कष्ट होउथो काना ब्रेन रे ताको कोन करथो ट्रांसलेट करथो साइकिल करथो कष्ट टिका होउथो आ द्वारा कोन हो तमर केते बेनिफिट होबा इंग्लिश सिखियोला वर्ड गुडा का सिखिबो तार इंटरप्रिटेशन भी सिखिलो एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग हबो किंतु जदी एठी बसिकरी जन जन भाबंती दशहरा छुट्टी हेले म घर को जीवी मां को देखा करिवी ताहले ब्रेन ता साडू थिबो ताहले बुझी परिबन ता माने एई जो यूनिट 1 एटा ना हाना नै जेबे जेहेतु छोट पिला अच्छा जो माने बाहर आसी छ हैला निश्चित मन हबो केमिति पूजा छुट्टी हम घर पळेबी हाना नै मु पढुथली प्लस 2 साइंस केंद्रापड़ा कॉलेज प्लस 2 साइंस केंद्रापड़ा ऑटोनोमस रे पढुथली मु तले फर्स्ट ईयर एडमिशन नेली 3 दिन क्लास करी घर पळेली हला आई बिकेम स्टबन जब आउ कॉलेज रे पढी कहीं पढीबनी बो पाखर रही हला से लाइफ ता से तन तमर से माइंड ता सबले एठी रखिबो दैट इज रॉन्ग डिसीजन दैट मींस डिड यू फील एनी एनकाउंटर बिटवीन नैरेटर एंड मिस्टर रेड और नैरेटर के बिथरे फाइटिंग हेथिला कि ना हला एनकाउंटर माने एठी होची फाइटिंग What was the outcome his encounter with Red? Read the following unit of the text. Means in this particular unit, we are going to learn both direct and indirect encounter relationship between narrator and the Mr. Red. I wanted to conquer my fear of red. Means the narrator wanted to conquer जो मानकर social science थिबो history political science conquer माने हला कोन करिवा जनकु overcome करिवा जनकु हरेइवा सेटा हला conquer. So I wanted to conquer my fear of red. Somehow the narrator tried to defeat, tried to low down Mr. Red, and he will become the head of that area. Means he was trying to become very strong on top of Mr. Red. Se chahuthile Mr. Red got haru mu bi courageous hebi. Kintu now the thing is that Mr. Red, he was very strong. He was very brave. His soldier, eyes, gesture, it was very ferocious. Ferocious means singha bhali bhayankara. And Mr. Narrator, he was a small boy, helpless boy. His parents were divorced. Achha, how he will be conquering him? जेमती आमर conquer वाटा साइंस क्लास सिख तमे भी सिख conquer माने आमर जेते एबे अफगानिस्तान को तालिबान conquer कला बुझी पालो ए न्यूज ता सुनी छ कोन गोटे अफगानिस्तान तालिबान कोन गोटे हे सुनी छ त ना के सुनी ना हां वेरी गुड. So I wrote a poem about him. This was my first piece of journalism in verse. By the next day, the whole street knew it by heart and exulted with a triumphant hatred. That means subsequently, in due course of time, that area got to know that even though Red is the caretaker and strong person in that area, some unidentified stranger person have entered to our locality who is trying to conquer Mr. Red. माने सेही एरिया रो लोक माने भाबिले जे हमर तो एठी रूलर जणे अछंते रेड आउ जणे की आसीचंती सी चाहूचंती तांकू ओवरकम करि दिबे बे तांको ठारू से करेजियस हेबे तांको ठारू फेरोसियस हेबे. One morning on my way to school, I suddenly came upon Reed and Lieutenant. His eyes seemed to bore through me. Aha, the poet. He drawled, smiling crookedly. So you write verses. That means those days, one day, unfortunately, the narrator made Mr. Red. नहीं प्रॉपर नथिला जे सेते बेले से तांकर एजुकेशन ता कोन डिसरप्टेड एजुकेशन कोठी गोटे स्कूल को जाउथबे इच्छा हले गले इच्छा न हले न गले बिकॉज़ देयर इज नो वन से कॉन्टेक्स्ट रो कहउछन एठी कहले वन मॉर्निंग ऑन माय वे टू स्कूल आई सडनली केम अपॉन रेड एंड हिज lieutenants means when the narrator he was on the school he was going to school and they met Mr. Red and his lieutenants means his group. जेते बेले से एरिया रे रेड थिले कोन दादा बा गुंडा so he must be having number of helpers तांको संग साथी हला. His eyes seemed to be bored from me means when the narrator was going to school Mr. Red's eyes it was fixed on him. Fixed on माने तांको नजरटा narrator को ऊपर पड़ी जाइछला. Aha, the poet he drawled, smiled crookedly. So you write verses. It means say Mr. Red he smiled, he looked at a glance towards narrator. So that means this is the turning point. This situation, this circumstance, this type of attitude, this type of events gave scopes or opportunities to the narrator to write a poem or to write something about the life activities in that area. तामाने एई भली जो प्रॉब्लम आसला असुविधा से फेस कले जने जो माने सब साइंटिस्ट होंते हला कि हमर महात्मा गांधी हेले फादर ऑफ द नेशन जवाहरलाल नेहरू मदर टेरेसा से माने बेड ऑफ रोजेस रे हेनांती केही बेड ऑफ रोजेस माने मन कर तुमको सब प्रकार सुविधा दिया जिवो खाइबा सुविधा दिया जिवो पिंधिका दिया जिवो पैसा बहुत पैसा दिया जिवो हला तमे कोन करियो खाइ पिकरी सोइबो खाइ पिकी सोइले नॉलेज आ भितरे डेवलप तार करूथिबो आउ करिवो तेणु सेइथिलागि 18 द narrator wants to explain it is the circumstance, it is the situation who forces me to cycle my brain, to struggle my brain, and science term कहले to accelerate my brain to have a social thought on such issues. narrator चाहुचंती जे एई भली जो सिचुएशन अराइज कला मु जो लाइफ रे प्रॉब्लम पड़िली एई प्रॉब्लम रु एई सिचुएशन रु सिखिली जे मु गोटे चैप्टर लिखिबी सो दैट अदर्स विल बी लर्निंग इन फ्यूचर बुझ पालो नरेटर चाहिले जे मो भली केते छोट छोट पिला माने स्कूल पिला कॉलेज पिला केते प्रॉब्लम फेस करूचंती सो दैट मु एटा लिखिले अदर्स विल बी लर्निंग तेणु एठी नरेटर को आमे कहिबा ग्रेट पर्सन कहीं ग्रेट पर्सन कहा जाउची दोज हु थिंक अबाउट अदर्स दोज हु हैव ए सेल्फलेस लाइफ sacrificed life suppose Mahatma Gandhi Lal Bahadur Shastri Albert Einstein Newton they forgot about their own comfort and they thought about the society thought about people thought about everybody forgetting their personal comfort so that means here the narrator wants to explain the situation the hurdle life the struggle life taught me to learn something and which will be helping to the future generation narrator कहया चाहउचंती एई भली असुविधा एई भली फनी लाइफ मते सिखिबा को बाध्य कला जे मो सिखि करी एम्ति किछि गोटे पोएम लिखिबी कि गोटे चैप्टर लिखिबी सो दैट अदर्स विल बी लर्निंग अदर्स माने की सिखिबे तमे सिखिबो तमे सिना एठी हम माने तमे एठी सिखुछ थ्रू आउट ओडिसा ओडिसा रा हमर सेंट पिला सिखुछंती आ एई चैप्टरटा खाली कोन ओडिसा रे अछि महाराष्ट्र मुंबई दिल्ली कोलकाता चेन्नई सब आड़े एटा पढ़ा होची हैला आपरे की क्लास अछि one morning Red's hand darted into his pocket and came out armed with his knuckle duster it flashed like lightning and struck my head Red's hand darted in his pocket means say here the Red's hand darted into the pocket means say what happened due to some situation the Mr. Red entered his hand in the pocket for something and came out armed with knuckle duster and flash like lightning means say and from the pocket he took out his hand with some metal weapon very scary weapon very sharpened weapon so that it will be making someone very like what very scared जने से हातरे जोडे से धरि थिले ताकू देखिले जने डरी जिवे I fell down streaming with blood and lost consciousness the moment Mr. Red took out his darted hand with sharpened weapon Mr. Narrator became nervous become senseless because he thought I don't have anybody who will be supporting me I am alone there is no one to guide me there is no one to support me so due to all those situations, he became unconscious. This was my first remuneration as a poet. Remuneration मान होची दरमा मन कर जड़े मासकू चाकरी कले 20,000 30,000 जो पान सेटा को हमें कहूचे दरमा हला ए सेंटेंस ता सिख दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट रेमुनरेशन एज ए पोएट से कहउचंती दिस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट दिस सिचुएशन became the remuneration as poet माने एई परिस्थिति एई अवस्था मते गोटे पोएट करिबा पई कोन कला सजेई देला ता माने कोन हां वेरी गुड एनकरेज कला माने एई जो सिचुएशन आसला he became senseless he became nervous that means he realized he understood the life activities of the society in the society many school going children many people in the society definitely they also will be facing similar situations so that is why he wanted to become ta mane ei bhali position hella pore se poet hele se jodi khai pi आराम रे रहितांते गोटे हेल्दी लाइफ तांकर हेइथांता नै कि हेल्दी देखा हेइथाने बाहरु हेल्दी आ एई पार्टटा कोन हे जाइथांता ब्रेन टाउरी हेल्दी हेइथांता खाई पी आराम रे रहिले जने हेल्दी हबो कोटा फिजिकल हेल्दी कि मेंटली हेल्दी हे परिबो नै तमर को हेल्थ दरकार फिजिकल हेल्थ ना मेंटल हेल्थ फिजिकल हेल्थ तले सोई पड़िबो I spent several days in bed. When I went out with my head still bandaged, I again saw red. Means somehow when he fell down, he was completely injured. There was bandage. After he came to subconscious position, because he became senseless, he became unconscious. When he came to the real position, when he came to subconscious position, he understood that on his head there is a bandage. I struggled with myself, but lost and took to my heels at home. I rolled on my bed, biting my pillow and pounding it in the same unimportant fury my cowardice. I made up my mind to vanquish it at whatever cost. Means say, when he was sleeping on the bed, the bandage was there. He repented. He realized, he felt, he thought that due to some like what unexpected situation, I became senseless and the circumstance made me to fall down. But it is my cowardice. In future, somehow I will try to become strong and brave to defend this world, not only to Mr. Red, but also whosoever come to defeat me. माने सही सिचुएशन तांकु शिक्षा देला जे एई भली सिचुएशन लाइफ रे आसले मु कोन करिवि आई विल ट्राई टू डिफीट अदर्स माने अन्य मानकु मु केमति डिफीट करिवि रादर आई शुड नॉट बी कावर्ड माने भीरु जो माने डरपक जो माने डरंती देखो ता माने नैरेटर को भितरे केते करेज थिला हैला so that means the narrator wants to explain you all students you all children should try to follow the principle of the narrator हैला एति के हमर रहिला तमे नेक्स्ट क्लास को कोन करिवो सुनो ए तीनटा चैप्टर पढिबो क्वेश्चन आंसर जेति के पारिबो करिवो नहले हमें एठी डिस्कशन करिबा हैला।